What's up, everybody? This is Elijah from PyCalendar, and in this video, I'm going to show you a super simple event ticketing setup using PyCalendar Pro and the free version of Easy Digital Downloads. I've already got PyCalendar installed. Now I'm just going to search for Easy Digital Downloads and add that. So we'll drop that in. We are starting from scratch here, so you're going to see what it looks like to actually set this up from square one. So let's install that and activate it. Fantastic. So the first thing we need to do is create an event. So we're going to add new here. And I don't know, we'll call this the Pie Eating Contest Extravaganza, the sequel, part 3. Perfect. And drop in some lipsum there to fill out the details. Now, this is going to have a price because it is a download, though we're not actually going to provide a download unless we had like a ticket PDF or something we could give people. Then you could add that as a download. But let's go ahead and drop in a price. Let's call it $30. And let's look at the type of product. We do not want to bundle in this case. Here we would have our file name. If we had something to offer them, we'll just call this ticket download, and we can leave the file URL empty. I think we may have to go back and fill that out. Save your order ID and present it at the gate for entry. Now we get to the calendar portion of this, which is setting the post as an event and then setting our details. So we'll go ahead and set this to start next month on the 7th at 9:19 a.m. is perfect. And then it will end on the 7th at, let's just go later in the day, maybe 5:19 p.m. Okay, let's go ahead and publish that. Now let's go over here and let's just find a page to add our calendar to, and we'll get rid of this stuff. We'll do PyCal as our calendar, and we'll update that. Now let's see if there's any adjustments we need to make. We are using the default theme here. So you can see here we've got our calendar, and on the 7th we have our event. We could also set this to be the list view by default so that you can see the full title if you wanted to. So if we click that, we can click View Download, and then we've got a button right here to go ahead and purchase the ticket. So by listing an actual download on your calendar, you've essentially created an event ticketing system. Now, there would be some extra work you might need to do to ensure that they're given access to the event, such as instructions telling them to save their order number or their receipt and print it out and bring it to the event, or providing them with a PDF that they can print. There are lots of different options as to how you could work that out. But for a lot of events, this is going to be plenty. And then you don't need the overhead of a full-on event ticketing calendar plugin, and you can keep everything super light, nimble, and flexible with PyCalendar.